Hello and welcome everyone to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how you can change your Minecraft skin. Okay, so this is very simple. The first thing you have to do is to go to minecraft.net, and once you're here you have to log in into your Minecraft account or Microsoft, and then you have to go here to account and profile. Excellent. So now we have to go here and see that we have Minecraft Java Edition, so we have to press on change skin. Okay, so this is very simple, but how do we get a new skin? This is very easy. You have to go to MC Skin Search. You go to the second website that appears, Minecraft Skins, and here you have to choose one skin. For example, I don't know, this one. So you press here on download, the file will be downloaded, and then you have to upload this file here. So the only thing you have to do next is to accept the changes, and the skin will be different, but will change. So you can choose here if the skin is slim or classic. And with nothing more else to say, goodbye and subscribe, like, comment, share, and press the bell in the button of subscription. And press the bell in the subscription button. So goodbye and easy way.